morning, everybody. It's day 2 of my 365-day kitchen affair. And not that I'm cheating, but I'm going to go with an easier recipe this morning and cook an omelette. And yes, it does have a few more ingredients other than eggs. So let's see how it turns out. I use 5 eggs for our omelette. Break them in a bowl and beat them. Add salt to taste. And then prepare your pan with a bit of oil. Add peppers over medium heat, and then green onions, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring to ensure the onion won't burn throughout the whole process. Once the onion and pepper are cooked, add the eggs. The eggs will cook pretty fast. You have to keep stirring to ensure they won't burn, and when one side is done, flip your omelette. Other than the fact that it's hot.
I'm gonna try it again. I didn't get any vegetables in there. Okay.
Edible?
Yeah. Yeah. See all of you tomorrow.